The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the return of an iconic nameplate, reimagined for the modern era while retaining its vintage soul. Volkswagen has breathed new life into this legendary model, combining classic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology and sustainable engineering. Originally celebrated for its elegant Italian design and the solid engineering of its Beetle underpinnings, the Karmann Ghia was always more about style and charm than raw performance. The 2026 version respects this heritage while elevating the experience for a new generation of drivers who value design, efficiency, and individuality. At first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia immediately stands out with its retro-inspired silhouette. It captures the timeless curves and proportions of the original coupe, blending soft, flowing lines with a modern minimalist finish. Volkswagen's design team has done an impressive job of integrating contemporary elements such as seamless LED lighting, flush door handles, and an aerodynamically optimized profile that enhances both visual appeal and efficiency. The low-slung stance and wide haunches give it a sporty, confident presence on the road without overplaying aggression. Beneath the stylish exterior, the new Karmann Ghia sits on Volkswagen's modular electric drive matrix (MEB) platform, the same architecture that underpins the ID series. This all-electric foundation allows for a flat floor, maximizing interior space and contributing to a balanced driving experience. The electric powertrain is available in two configurations, a rear-wheel drive model with 210 horsepower and a dual-motor all-wheel drive version producing up to 300 horsepower. The instant torque and silent operation of the electric motors bring a new kind of excitement to the Karmann Ghia, smooth, swift, and utterly refined. Range anxiety won't be a concern for most drivers. With a 77 kWh battery pack, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers an estimated range of 320 miles on a full charge. Fast charging capabilities allow the battery to reach 80% in just over 30 minutes when using a DC fast charger. For urban commuters or weekend road trippers alike, this level of efficiency ensures the Karmann Ghia remains practical as well as stylish. Inside the cabin, Volkswagen has created an atmosphere that is both nostalgic and futuristic. Classic design cues like round air vents and simple, tactile switchgear blend seamlessly with a high-resolution digital display and a central touchscreen powered by VW's latest infotainment system. Materials throughout the interior emphasize sustainability, with vegan leather, recycled fabrics, and responsibly sourced trim pieces. The cockpit is driver-focused, but still comfortable and accommodating for two passengers, with optional rear seats suited for shorter trips or extra storage. Connectivity and driver assistance features are plentiful. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is an intelligent voice assistant that learns user preferences over time. A head-up display and augmented reality navigation further enhance the driving experience, making every journey intuitive and stress-free. On the safety side, the 2026 Karmann Ghia includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced parking assistant that can handle parallel and perpendicular spaces autonomously. What truly sets the new Karmann Ghia apart is its emotional appeal. It isn't designed to dominate drag strips or serve as an everyday crossover, it's meant to make you feel something each time you drive it. It turns heads not with brute force, but with elegance and character. For enthusiasts who remember the original, the new version serves as a respectful homage. For younger drivers, it offers a unique, charismatic alternative to more conventional electric vehicles. Pricing for the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia starts at around $42,000 for the base model, with the dual-motor version approaching $50,000 depending on options. While that places it in competition with several mainstream EVs, the Karmann Ghia carves its own niche. It isn't about utility or ubiquity, it's about style, emotion, and the joy of driving something that feels different. In an increasingly homogenized automotive world, that's a rare and refreshing proposition. Volkswagen's revival of the Karmann Ghia is more than just a tribute to the past, it's a bold statement about the brand's future. With its balance of heritage and innovation, it redefines what a small coupe can be in the electric age. For those who crave design and driving pleasure in equal measure, the 2026 Karmann Ghia may be one of the most captivating